After 18 months of the illegal invasion of Ukraine, the war in recent weeks has come to Moscow. First with Ukraine's protracted drone strikes on the Russian capital, now with one of its warships sinking in its home port in the Black Sea. These strikes bring the war to the elite, those rich and entitled few who hitherto have been unaffected by the war. The rumors have been flying about Bruce Willis that he is dead after it was revealed that he is dealing with some health issues. Bruce Willis retired from acting back in March of 2022 because of a speaking disorder called aphasia. He has now been diagnosed with frontotemporal dementia. Most people live about 6 to 8 years with FTD. The USS Zumwalt is changing home ports to receive upgrades including a new hypersonic missile system. The ship departed San Diego, California Wednesday for Pascagoula, Mississippi, home of Ingalls Shipbuilding. The Zumwalt will receive technology upgrades including the integration of the conventional prompt strike weapons system, the Navy said. Sophia the robot became the first robot citizen of Saudi Arabia in October 2017. She said family is very important to her. When asked what she would name her baby, she said she would name it after herself, Sophia. On June 11, the main peak of M2 Fluckthorn, on the border of Austria and Switzerland, collapsed without warning. With the south peak collapsed, the middle peak is the second highest summit in the Silvreta Alps. Experts say peaks in the European Alps and southern Alps of New Zealand are also at risk of collapse.